In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Backbone controller on an iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your Backbone controller on an iPad is a very straightforward process. This is because, as you might expect, the feature is natively built into the Backbone controller. So all that you have to do to use your Backbone controller on an iPad is first make sure that you have the subscription. It is unfortunate, but to be able to perform this, you will need to have a Backbone Plus subscription. As you can see here, I've highlighted it in this table of features that they have available on the official website. And in order to play on any screen, including PC, Macs, and iPads, you will need to have the Backbone Plus subscription active. It is unfortunate, but it is a consideration for you to make. Now, once you make sure that you have the subscription ready to go, all that you have to do now is go over to the settings on the actual Backbone, go into the Play Anywhere or Play on Any Device settings, and make sure that you have iPad selected. Once this is done, just use a lightning cable, and as soon as you connect the Backbone using the lightning cable to the iPad, you will be able to play it and use it as any controller. So you will be able to play any games that have the native controller support and ones without because of the way that the Backbone works and translates the inputs. The only requirements, like I said, is that you have the subscription active, that you set up play on any screen, and that you use a lightning cable on your iPad. You will be good to go to play any games using the Backbone this way. If it doesn't work, double check to see if your account is set up properly with the subscription and go into the settings again to see if you selected iPad as the proper device. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Backbone controller on iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.